This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm in a convenient location in the South Loop, on the rooftop terrace at 1001 South State, panning from the south to the east over Grant Park and the museum campus, and heading north toward a panoramic view of the Loop skyline from Navy Pier and Lake Michigan, out west to where the Willis Tower and the West Loop. The building's angled orientation serves up great views from the apartments, and I'm headed downstairs for a walk through one of them. I'm at apartment 2402, a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, looking east through floor-to-ceiling windows toward Grant Park, a short walk away, museum campus, and Lake Michigan. Turning around for a look at roller shades on all the windows, turning into an impossibly bright living, dining, open plan kitchen. 2 walls of windows, looking now northwest to where the Willis Tower and the skyline. Going to have great views of the sunsets from here. Plank flooring and high ceilings throughout the apartment. Breakfast bar island can easily seat 4. There's a 5-burner gas range with a range hood. Stainless steel refrigerator, dishwasher, under counter microwave, white quartz counters, white lacquer look upper cabinetry, brushed off-white lower cabinetry. What a fabulously bright room this is. Turning toward the second of the 2 bedrooms, closet off to my right. Space for a queen-size bed and nightstands. Great spot for a home office desk. Looking at the entryway. Guest bath with a nice sized vanity, drawers for storage, triple mirrored medicine cabinet up above, and tub shower combination. Washer dryer is exactly in the ideal spot for it, away from the living and sleeping areas. Looking at the entryway, space for a small hall console table if you wanted, and the kind of custom organizers you're going to find in all the closets here. Great separation of the bedrooms, turning into the primary / master bedroom. Windows looking out to the northwest. Plenty of space for any size bedding and additional furniture here. Heading back toward the bath. It's a nice sized walk-in closet with custom organizers. And the bath has a double wall vanity, bank of drawers again, walk-in shower, and again a triple mirrored medicine cabinet. 1001 South State has a very convenient South Loop location, a great suite of amenities, variety of apartments, all with upscale finishes. Belongs high on your must-see list. Head to the building's website to see more floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.